Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can set up two-factor authentication on the Trading212 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app, then go to the menu, which you can do by tapping on the top left corner. And in the menu, you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the list, tap on the settings icon, and in the settings icon, the two-factor authentication is going to be the here on the list, the 7th item. And when you tap on it, you can enable two-factor authentication, and then you can set up your two-factor authentication with another device. You can set fingerprint or Face ID or any of those options. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.